Why does the climate change?
Climate is the name given to the weather all over the world. And this climate is changing especially fast in the last years. Everywhere on Earth, it is getting warmer and warmer because more and more factories, cars, and airplanes are blowing gases into the air every day. These gases rise high into the sky and get trapped in the layer of air that surrounds our Earth. This layer of air therefore becomes more and more congested. And so the heat from the Earth can no longer escape. Imagine you hold your popsicle in the sun. Then it does not last long until it melts. The ice runs sticky over your hands until you have only a dry piece of wood in your hand. If the Earth warms up, exactly the same happens. More and more ice melts at the North and South poles. The ice becomes water. This causes the sea to get higher everywhere. Many areas on the seacoasts are therefore now underwater. Even in our place, the water is sometimes getting wider than it should be. That's why we all have to take good care of our Earth and make sure that no more gases are blown into the air, because our Earth should remain as beautiful as it is. In a nutshell, because the many exhaust gases clog its air layer, it is getting warmer and warmer on Earth, and so the ice at the poles is melting.
There are no such things as stupid questions. And I have one more suggestion.